light on this, don't I? Yep. Right, so we've got a bit further. We've got that heat shield off, we've still got those bolts out. We've got the water pump off and the mount as well. So we've got access now, so we can actually start pulling off that timing cover. I think that's all the bolts for the timing cover, that's all the bits for the timing cover. Oh, we've got the crankshaft pulley as well. So all that bit's away now. Now what I want to do is get those bolts out. If I can get those bolts out, then I think we're on a home run, because those are the ones that are really stopping me right now. This stuff I can get to quite easily now. Yeah. So yeah, we've eaten a bit more of the elephant today. Yes. So good night. Yeah, that should be fine, I think. Look at the engine, it's right down. It's because I lifted the car up. Yeah, which gave me access to get the water pump off easier actually. All the shit's in there. Right.